Mercy, sumagot ka! Nirate ka ba ni Vic Soto? Ah!
10 out of 10 ang grading ko dyan. May name drop. Sino kaya ang gaganap bilang Vic Soto?
Sana i-promote to sa Itbulaga, mga Dabar Cats.
Lumilimang surroundings. Vic Soto, what will you expect? Come on, of course it's Daryl Yap. Ilang taong ba si Daryl Yap? Parang paggoing pulilot lang ang itsura niya.
Legal implications yan.
Napansin kasi laos na director. Lies naman. Tulad ng Marcos movie niya. Lilinisin lang nila dyan yung pangalan ni Vic at Joey. Of course, the name drops included in the teaser para dagdag views and marketing wise, but we all know what will happen with the storyline. They will make the Sotos the victims and clear their names when they make fake. I see nothing wrong with this film. Ganito yung kulang sa film industry natin. So many real life stories na pwedeng isa pelikula. Basta wag lang distorted yung facts. In the end, hindi naman pa rin sila nakasuhan, diba? So what's the big deal?
Malapit na kasi election. Vico and Tito Sen, just my opinion.